Welcome to this labsystem screencast. I want to introduce two changes I just made to you, and the major change concerns the correction and the exchange of comments between correctors. So when you are used to the labsystem, then you know this interface here, and we see the question, we see the user answer, and we see the credits that we're currently giving, and can check if the question is corrected or not here, so you know this. Okay, so the first change I made is that when we click here, now the box here is not automatically checked. The reason is that we usually do 4 eyes principle. That means the first corrector is correcting, and then the second one is backchecking and giving his or her okay to this question. And so what you also know is this is the comment field here, so that you can write comments like well done, or normally you would write K, what was wrong, so why you gave not full credits. So in this process we usually do it in a distributed way, so one tutor is doing it at home or somewhere and the other one is doing it somewhere else, and so it's a good idea to enable the tutors to exchange some comments, and we can do it here. Like I would give for full credits, okay, for you. So probably you would exchange more specific things like okay, the command is not right, is it? Okay, and then you would maybe do the proposal like okay, give 5 credits here, then you would press save, and as you see here, we see the user comment, and then here we have the comment section for the tutors, for the correctors. Okay, so now let's set it visible for the user. Okay, so now the question is visible for the user, and now let's check what happens here. So I'll change my rights so that I'm not corrector anymore but user. The one I was correcting was myself, so now I go back, and as you see, I only see the comment here that was intended to be seen by me, and the corrector's comments are not seen here. So this mechanism is probably useful when doing the correction, so that you can exchange things and you can also preserve the comments. Of course, the comments are also versioned like everything, so that means when you want to see prior versions of the comments, as usual, you can just go here, correct, and then you can say, okay, give me some earlier version here, and then it's loading the previous version, as you know it for all elements in here. Okay, so then happy correction, and I hope you enjoy the new feature and enjoy working with the lab system.